Today we are discussing about Unit 1 waves in second year physics. We drop a pebble in a pond of still water. The water surface gets disturbance. The disturbances moves without the actual transfer of medium. In our daily life, we are listening different types of sounds, musical instruments, vehicles, all these are producing sound. Sound also propagates in the form of wave. Wave, the disturbances move without the transfer of medium from one point to another point. It is called wave. Sound also propagates in the form of wave. So now we are having four types of waves. First, mechanical waves. Second one, electromagnetic waves. Third one, matter waves. Fourth, gravitational waves. Now we are discussing about mechanical waves. Mechanical waves are produced by applying mechanical forces. The mechanical forces transfer with the help of medium. They cannot transfer with they cannot transfer without the medium. For example of mechanical waves, water waves, sound waves, and string waves. Next, second one, electromagnetic waves. Nowadays, the communication system depends on propagation of signals via waves. Electromagnetic waves are produced by continuous changes in electric and magnetic fields. So, examples of electromagnetic waves are light waves, X-rays, radio waves. Electromagnetic waves not requires medium for propagation. Third one, matter waves. Matter is made by subatomic particles. Subatomic particles are electrons, protons and neutrons. The matter waves are produced by collisions between subatomic particles. The examples of matter waves are explosion of bomb, and last one, gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are produced by celestial bodies. Now, mechanical waves. Mechanical waves again two types. Mechanical waves, two types. First one, transverse waves. And the second one is longitudinal waves. Now we are discussing about transfer waves. The particles in the medium propagates perpendicular direction to the motion of the wave is called transfer waves. So is wave propagation. The particles in the medium propagates perpendicular to the direction of the wave propagation. This type waves are called transfer waves. The example of transfer waves are waves on a string. So, in this wave, the upper peak is called crest. The lower peak is called trough. Next, second, longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, the particles propagation in the direction of the wave. That means the particles direction and wave direction both are parallel. The example of longitudinal waves are sound waves. So in longitudinal waves, we take a tube. The tube is filled with air particles. The one part is fixed with piston and second end is closed. When we apply force on the piston, the particles are packed very closely. In this, the density of particles is more. This part is called compressions. So, in this part, the particle density is more. Now, we are open this tube. The particle density becomes less. The particle density becomes less. This portion is called rare fractions. Okay. In transfer waves, crest and troughs are formed. In longitudinal waves, compressions and rare fractions are formed.